morning, friends. It's a bright new day. Look, I've got my quest for the day. Let's open it to reveal the task. Cleaning my room? That sounds a little hard, but I'm gonna make it fun. Let's get started. My name is Kent. I'm very obedient and also I'm a fun-loving elephant. The trash always goes in the bin to keep our surroundings clean and neat. This too, and in goes it all. My room looks so tidy. Next, let me keep my soccer ball in my toy basket with all my other toys. Yay! And the book goes on the rack with all my other books. I love to read, don't you? Looks like I'm almost done. The crayons go in the drawer. Yay! My task is complete. Woohoo! Who's at the door? Hey guys, what a surprise! Hi! Yay! Woohoo! This is so much fun. Uh-oh. I've got to clean my room again. But this time, I know how to do it. La 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 la. It's such a nice day. Ooh, is that a watermelon? But don't watermelons grow on vines? How can they grow on trees? Let me find out what it is. I have something in my pocket. Oh no, that didn't work. Idea. Ouch! That hurt! I bet this will do it. Huh? What was that? You fell for my prank, Pego. Oh. I know how to cheer him up. Hey, Pego, would you like to have some watermelon? Yes, I would. Yay! Yay! Let's go. No, 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 no. Hey, Pego. Huh? Give me some. First, say please. Here? Here? Huh? Come back here. Hey! Yaha! Hey! Come back. Yeah! Come back here. Idea! Here? I'm sorry, that's okay. Say please. Please? Thank you. Hey guys, want to do something fun today? Yes. But what can we do?
Let's go to the water park!
That sounds perfect! Yay! Yay!
Let's go, everybody! Get on the bus!
We're going to the water park. Will there be sharks? No, we will splash in the water and go on the giant slide. It'll be so much fun. I'm ready. Look at my orange swimsuit. Yay!
I love my green swimsuit! Yay!
Look at me. My swimsuit is as yellow as yummy bananas. Yay!
Are you ready, Pego? Guys, I'm stuck.
I'm done. Look, isn't my blue swimsuit amazing? Look at me come down the green slide. Woohoo! Yay! Here I come on the blue slide. Yippee! Yay!
Swoosh! I'm coming on the orange slide. Be ready for a big splash. Haha! Yay! Come on, Peggo.
Huh? Yay! That was great! Let's capture this awesome moment! Big smile, everybody!